So now we will make our sample. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. Pull the beginning yarn, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now you are going to start your half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, and you are going to insert it into the third chain from the hook. This is the third chain. So you are going to insert, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to pull through all 3 loops. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through all 3. So you're going to continue that. So this is the third one. So that's 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, pull, now pull through all 3. And then you just keep going. So that will be your last one. Insert, pull, yarn over, pull through all 3. So now you want to see about how many inches that will be. Hopefully it is about 4. So you want to stay around 4 inches. So afterwards you will chain 1, chain 2, and then you turn, and that will begin your second row. So do you see all the bees? So you will be half double crocheting into the back loop. This is the back loop. So you're going to yarn over the same thing into that stitch right there, back loop. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. And then you will do that continuously until the end. That's the second one. That'll be the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a little stuck. It's okay. Try again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one right there, 18. So hopefully you will have about 18 stitches for each row like mine. If it's one less or one more, it will be okay. So now you're going to chain 2 to continue on to the third row, and it is the same thing. So you would repeat row 2 until your piece will measure about 10 inches wide, and then you would fasten up. So here we are with more rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9th, let's finish up that 9th row. Let's finish up. Insert yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 2, and then you turn. Now let's begin our 10th row. 1 half double crochet stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now you fasten off. Before fastening off, let's just measure a bit just to double check. So 4 across and 4 vertically. So now we fasten off. So yarn over and you just pull through. And then you will get scissors and then cut it. And then take off your hook and then pull tightly. So now you have your sample swatch. So now you will get to see how tight your stitches are, and if you are satisfied with it, you can use that tension for your actual nice hat. Okay, good luck. Hope you will enjoy making your